In today's video, I am going to teach you how to average with errors in Excel. If your data includes error values, a normal average formula may return an error instead of a useful result. A simple way around that is to use the aggregate function, which can calculate an average while ignoring those error cells. This is helpful when you are working with imported data, formulas that sometimes fail, or spreadsheets that are still being cleaned up. To begin, click the empty cell where you want the clean average to appear. This will be the cell that shows your final result, so choose a location that is easy to find and makes sense within your worksheet. Next, type an equal sign on your keyboard. This tells Excel that you are entering a formula. After that, type the word AGGREGATE in all caps. Then type an opening parenthesis to begin the function. Now enter the number 1. In the AGGREGATE function, 1 tells Excel that you want to use the average calculation. Type a comma after that, and then enter the number 6. This part is important because 6 tells Excel to ignore error values while performing the calculation. Type another comma to move to the next part of the formula. At this point, click and drag your mouse to highlight the full range of numbers you want to average, including the cells that contain errors. Excel will insert that cell range into the formula for you. This makes it easier to avoid typing the range manually and helps reduce mistakes. Once your range is selected, type a closing parenthesis to finish the formula. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the average of the valid numbers and skip over any cells with errors. The finished formula will follow this structure. Equals AGGREGATE, opening parenthesis, 1, 6, your selected range and closing parenthesis. This is a reliable method when you need a clean average without fixing every error first. If you want the result to stay accurate over time, make sure your selected range includes all the cells that may be updated later. That way, the formula will continue to work as your data changes. That covers everything you need to know.